Yes, the guy over there with the yellow. It's good, that way he can walk around and see what's going on. He's still got a spotter. The guy in the camouflage and the white boots is a spotter. That way you don't have accidents with people or cars or anything. No cash, no splash. Bill has already been paid, therefore they can splash the boat. We will complete our survey with a high-speed run with the engines, checking them for steerage and overheating. If you have any questions about surveys, ask Captain Chris.